Typically at the $300 price point, we can usually only afford ordinary two-way desktop speakers. But now, Edifier has launched the MR5, a powered monitor speaker featuring a rare three-way design in this price range. Not only does it come equipped with the multiple professional-grade audio interfaces, but it also supports smart app adjustments, significantly enhancing flexibility and versatility across various usage scenarios. It truly achieves a professional performance with a user-friendly operation. So how does it perform in practice? Let's dive into the details. The package includes an A-shaped power cord, approximately 1.7 meters, for powering the main speaker, a 9-pin S-terminal connection cable, 2.5 meters, for signal transmission between the main and subwoofer speaker, and two 3.5mm audio cable, each approximately 1.5 meters, for connection to mobile devices or computers. We reviewed the black version, though white is also available. Each speaker weighs 5 kilograms and has a volume of approximately. Thanks to a bass driver positioned at the bottom of the enclosure, the MR5 saves more space compared to traditional three-way speakers. The cabinet features a black MDF acoustic wood structure with rose gold trim rings around the speaker drivers and knobs, creating an overall understated yet refined look. Anti-slip rubber feet on the base effectively suppresses vibration transmission. Placed on a dark color desktop, it achieves visual harmony and complements most desktop equipment seamlessly. The left side of the main unit's front panel features two 3.5mm jacks for audio input and output, enabling easy connection to laptops, smartphones, or other devices. The output jack also supports switching to headphone monitoring. A multifunctional knob on the right integrates power and volume control functions. When powered on, a short press cycles through 3 sound modes: red for monitoring, green for music, and white for custom. The indicator light flashes during Bluetooth pairing and remains solid once paired. This knob employs a stepless adjustment design. As you turn it, the LED flashes to indicate volume changes, making it impossible to directly read and current volume level. When connected via Bluetooth, the speaker volume operates independently from the phone's system volume, though it can achieve precise adjustment through the Edifier app. Notably, the volume adjustment curve employs a logarithmic rather than a linear design, better aligning with the human auditory perception. Gradual changes at low volume enable fine-tuning, while larger increments at the higher volumes prevent sudden loudness spikes. The rear panel integrates additional professional interfaces, a pair of RCA unbalanced jacks for connecting standard sound cards or computers, balanced A/4 TRS and XLR connectors for professional audio interfaces or mixing consoles. Combined with Bluetooth 6 and front aux input, the MR5 supports 5 input methods covering diverse needs from everyday entertainment or professional production. 2 adjustment knobs are positioned below the rear panel. The triple knob provides 6 dB gain or attenuation above 10 kHz, while the bass knob boosts or cuts frequencies below 125 Hz, allowing speakers to adapt the sound to their specific environments. The MR5 supports Bluetooth 6 transmission and is high-res audio certified. Paired with the LDAC codec technology, enables wireless playback of high-resolution audio. It also supports a multi-point connection, allowing pairing with 2 devices simultaneously, though only one audio source can play at a time. We recommend combining wired and wireless connection methods. For example, connecting your phone via Bluetooth and your computer via RCA, with a seamless switching between the 2 inputs. Additional audio sources can be expanded via XLR, TRS, and other interfaces as needed. We strongly recommend configuring system settings through the Edifier app before use. Its acoustic tuning feature offers extensive sound calibration. Options to effectively compensate for acoustic deviation caused by room layout and placement. Each function is accompanied by clear, intuitive graphical instructions. Low cutoff, it can effectively filters out ultra-low frequencies noise and reduces unwanted resonance or muffled sound. When connecting an external subwoofer, it's recommended to set the low frequency cutoff point to 80 Hz. If bass sounds muddy or muffled, this feature can also be adjusted accordingly. Acoustic space, it can select the appropriate mode based on speaker placement. For placement against walls or corners, appropriately attenuate low frequencies to reduce reflective interference and achieve clear, solid bass. Desktop control, it can enable suppression of a desktop reflection affecting mid to low frequencies, particularly suited for near-field listening on desktops. Audio settings offer 3 presets: monitor mode for professional production, music mode for optimized listening, and custom mode supporting independent 9-band EQ adjustment for personalized preferences. Additionally, support left and right channel switching. As a 3-way active speaker, the MR5 features dedicated amplifiers for each driver, delivering a total output power of 110 watts. A 1-inch silk dome tweeter handles high, a 3.75-inch dedicated mid-range driver handles mids, and a 5-inch woofer positioned at the bottom of the enclosure enhances low-frequency dispersion through side-firing ports. Official data indicates a relatively flat frequency response curve, meeting the standard characteristics of the monitor speakers. During listening tests, the system was connected to a MacBook Air via a 3.5mm to RCA cable and set to music mode to play various high-resolution lossless audio files. The Edifier MR5 delivers a satisfying overall performance. Its app-based acoustic calibration ensures a relatively accurate and balanced sound reproduction even in non-professional acoustic environments. It maintains stable output at maximum volume without distortion, offering balanced, full-bodied sound across all 3 frequency bands. The independent triple amplifier architecture effectively reduces intermodification distortion, resulting in a distinct layering across each frequency range. If you're tired of traditional multimedia speakers' muddy bass and murky mid to high frequencies, whether it's exploration and environment sound in games or instruments and vocals in music, the MR5 delivers a clearer, more layered listening experience. For those seeking authentic reproduction while customizing sound for different genres, the MR5 offers outstanding value. Alright, there's a link down below for you to know more. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.